Anu, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making this gluten-free Zoodles salad. It is one of my favorite low-carb meals and I am sure you will love it. Let's get started. We will start by slicing the ends of the zucchini. Now using a spiralizer or a peeler, create zoodles. They can be cooked, but I prefer to keep them raw. It keeps the salad from getting soggy. Now transfer them into a bowl. Add chopped carrots, few olives, cherry tomatoes, fresh thyme, few dried cranberries, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, pepper and salt to taste. Now add few salad leaves. Finally top it up with paneer or feta cheese. Toss everything together until well combined. Salad is ready. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.